Hello, Dr. Arlan Alburo here from Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. We have a special event coming up that you don't want to pass up. It's the Deep Tissue Laser Therapy Free Discovery Day. What is deep tissue laser therapy? So deep tissue laser therapy uses the power of light to improve three main things. It will help reduce your pain, it will help reduce inflammation, but more importantly, it will accelerate healing in whatever condition you are suffering from. In this case, if you're suffering from back pain, it's very powerful for it. For shoulder pain, rotator cuff tendinitis, bursitis, and even rotator cuff tears. For neck pain and headaches, for hip and knee pain, for heel and foot pain, specifically for plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendinitis, deep tissue laser therapy has been known to really help patients recover quickly from their conditions. So if you have not tried deep tissue laser therapy in the past, here's your opportunity to try it for free. I'm not kidding. On this one day, on March 30th, Tuesday from 1 to 5 p.m., you will have the opportunity to try the deep tissue laser therapy at our facility in any of our 4 locations in Valparaiso, Crown Point, LaPorte, or Highland. Typically, this is an $89 service. You'll be able to try it for free on that day. But first, we'll have to make sure that it is appropriate for your condition. So we'll do a few checks and see what's causing your problems, your symptoms, and then determine at that point if laser is appropriate for you. So again, if you haven't tried it before, here is your free opportunity to do so. You do have to save your spot because we have limited spots. We have 13 spots available for each location. This again on Tuesday, March 30th from 1 to 5 p.m. Simply click the link below, enter your information, and save your spot. And looking forward to help you and see for yourself how deep tissue laser can help your condition. See you then.